guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today this video is going to be about making lash cleansers for your clients. What I do is I use Prolong Lash Concentrate, which is a concentrate where you can make your own lash cleansers. It's a very great way to have other items for your clients, to purchase during their visit. They can purchase them. Well, I sell mine for $10. They can purchase them during their visit or before when they're booking, whenever they want to, purchase it. But it's a great little, extra item to offer to them. So today what I'm going to do is show you guys how to make those bottles. The instructions on the box, the instructions are actually for a 60 ml bottle, but I have 50 ml bottles. So I'll go ahead and just adjust, the instructions just a little bit to go ahead and make, the 50 mls, because I don't do 60 mls. I do 50 mls. Now on the box it says to add 20 mls of the cleaner to 40 mls of distilled water. So since I have a 50 ml bottle, what I'll do is adjust it to like 17, 18 mls of the concentrate. And then the rest would be distilled water. Okay, so you guys can purchase this on Amazon. That's where I usually purchase it from. I'll have the link down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase it. It's about $39, $40. And if you have Prime, of course, you get delivery for free, 2-day shipping for free, sometimes even 1 day. I got this in 1 day when I purchased it. Now, before making lash cleansers, I was using Stacy Lash shampoo. I said lash poo. Stacy Lash shampoo, which is really great. I've been using this for a while, but I wanted to branch out and create my own products and do. Now I want you guys to stay tuned because I am working on creating my own brand of lashes as well. So I'll have 0.5 and 0.3 easy fanning lashes coming very, very soon. So you guys stay tuned for that. I'm so excited about that. So I have my syringe. This syringe goes up to 5. So like I said, I'll adjust it and do about 17 or 18 mls, and then the rest will be distilled water. Now the good thing about this Prolong Lash Cleanser is that it's oil free. You can use it daily. It is naturally pH balanced, and it's vegan friendly as well, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and start. Alright, these bottles you can also get on Amazon. They're not expensive at all. I'll leave a link in the description box below as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my syringe and I'm going to add the concentrate first. Want to make sure you shake it very well. So I did 18 mls of the concentrate, and then I used distilled water to fill it up. And there you are. That's your cleanser. Alright guys, so I actually used 18 ml of the concentrate, and then I used distilled water to fill up the bottle and complete the process. Now, these are my lash cleansers, so I do have labels to place on them. I had my best friend create labels for me. I'll leave a link down below to her Instagram page if you guys are interested in getting labels made. She's really good. She does little crafts and things like that. She can create labels. She can create whatever you want her to create, basically. But yeah, these are my own bottles, so I'm going to be labeling them, and they will be sold to my clients. That's the finished product. And these lash cleansers last a while. So if you purchase one, if your client purchases one, they won't need to purchase one for a while. So it's a great investment for the client. It keeps their lashes clean and healthy. And it's a little extra for you. You know, something for you, something else for you to add on to your product list. I have instructions on here. Pump once and apply directly on eyelash extension. Clean thoroughly and rinse. Shake well before use. So you always want to make sure you shake it before you use it. But yep, guys, there it is. Again, this is the Prolonged Lash Concentrate. If you guys are not interested in making your own lash cleansers, there is Stacy Lash. There are some other lash cleansers out there, but this is what I've been using. I haven't tried anything else besides the Prolong, which I'm happy with. But if you're not interested in making your own bottles, you can always purchase Stacy Lash Cleanser. And like I said before, the link will be down below in my description box if you guys want to purchase this as well, or the Prolong to make your own lash cleanser. Alright, ladies, again, thank you so much for joining me and watching this video. If you are not a part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.